Howdy. 2008 Dodge Caravan. Replaced the ECM. So how do you know when to replace an ECM? Well, this one, the brake light as well as the engine light would come on. Sometimes the engine light wouldn't even come on, because the ECM, there's grounds inside of it that go bad. And so it affects different parts of the vehicle based on that ground. In this case, it was the O2 sensors. It kept saying that the catalytic converter was bad, which it's not. All the readings were fine. So if, for one, you can't get into the ECM with your scanner, or your O2 sensors readings are good from bank 1 to bank 2, sensor 1, sensor 2, if those are all good, it's the ECM. So I changed out the ECM on this and no more problems. So again, the way to know is, for one, if you can't get into the ECM with your scanner, and if the readings are actually good, sometimes the computer is not reading it and will end up turning on the engine light. Now, these Dodge and Jeep, I go with FS1 because they have over and over and over again have given me ECMs that just work fantastic. Always corrects the problem, and they've been going on and on and on. I think the oldest one out there is 5 years. So FS1 is relatively affordable, and they guarantee the work for a lifetime. Happy trails.